Here's the puppies. They're 3.5 weeks. Okay, so this is Glacier. Hi, buddy. This is Kodiak. It's another boy. This is Snowflake. And then this little sweetie is Alaska. This one is Frost or Hawes. And that little one is Crystal. And Blizzard. 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 Come here, baby. Come on. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. You're getting to know your name. Where are you going? So it's our first adventure in the hallway. You see, we left the whelping pen. We don't know what to do. What do we do? We're going to play with each other. Hello, Crystal. Hi, sweetheart. Glacier. Hello, buddy. Hey, boy. Yeah, you said I will sit in your lap and lick your arm, maybe. Okay. And then there's a little Snowflake. Hi, sweetheart. Hey, you have such a pretty face. And then Crystal. Yeah. And Alaska. Hello, sweetie. Hi. And Blizzard. Hey, Blizzard. Good puppy. Here. Come here. What is this? What is a squeaker? What is a squeaker? Hello. Hello, Alaska. Blizzard, what you doing? What you doing? Where are you going? Come on. That's a good girl. That's a good girl. Hi. Hello. Hello. Can you... which one was it that shook a paw earlier? Somebody shook a paw earlier. Are you going to check out your sister's tail? Oh, hello, Crystal. Okay, come here, puppies. Hey, puppies. Hey, Frost. Hey, buddy. How you doing? Somebody's been chewing on you. Who's been playing with you? Huh? Hi. Hey, buddy. Hello, sweetheart. Yeah? Can you shake a paw? There we go. Shake a paw. Good boy. Hello, Alaska. Hi. Where are you going? I'm going to go investigate the tiger. Ah, I conquered it. And now I'm going to conquer your lap. Good girl. Look at you. You're a sweetheart. Yeah. You're one of my brave little explorers. Yeah. Yeah, you see, yeah. Oh, are you taking the towel somewhere? Are you taking the towel somewhere? Kodiak? Okay, Kodiak. Hey, what you doing? You want to shake a paw again? Shake a paw. I haven't figured out yet exactly how to sit. But they're only 3.5 weeks old, so. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Glacier. Aww. You gonna chew on my fingers? You're not supposed to chew on my fingers. You're supposed to love on my fingers. Hi. Hey, 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 hey. Hi. What's Blizzard doing? Yeah? Everybody wants to nuzzle on the towel. Does it taste good? Blizzard, you gonna pull your sisters and your brothers? Maybe. Hey, Frost. Hey, Frost. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. Oh, sister's gonna pull the towel. Can't really pull it with everybody on it. But she's gonna try. And Glacier says, I want to play with you. I want to play with you. Can I play? Get the tiger. Get the tiger. What's the tiger gonna do? And then Crystal has to give her 2 cents. Yeah. Crystal's my keeper puppy, I think. She has to tell everybody what to do. Oh, she's like her great grandpa, Sky. Yeah. Hello, Glacier. Good boy. Shake a paw. Good boy. Hey. Hi. Hello, Kodiak. So you can tell Kodiak apart with, he has the nice big white blaze. And then Blizzard has a little bit of, well, it looked like a Z on the back of her neck, but it's not quite a Z anymore. Thank you for kisses. Oh, you're my sweetheart. Or one of my sweethearts. Puppies. Come here, puppy, puppy, puppies. Come here, puppies. Here, puppy, puppy, puppies. Crystal. Snowflake. Crystal. Crystal. Snowflake. Come here. Come on. Come here. Come here. Come here. Good puppy. Good puppy. Good puppy. You come. Come on. Snowflake. Oh, Blizzard's going to get my hand and kiss it. Hi. Hello. What you doing, Snowflake? You doing stretches? You doing your exercises for the morning, for the evening, huh? Yeah. Yep. What you doing, Blizzard? Glacier. 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 Hey, buddy. What did you find? Come here. Come here. Good boy. Good boy. Good come. Look at you. Yeah. Crystal. What are you doing? What are you doing? Yeah? You want to sit in my lap and talk to them? Oh, Blizzard says, I'm going to go in your lap. I want to sit in your lap. I want to sit in your lap. What you doing? Get sister's tail? She wags it. Oh, wait a minute, Kodiak. You're trying to go under Blizzard. Hey, sweetie. Hi. Hello. Hello, little buddy. What you doing, Frost? What you doing? Here. There's a ball. There's a ball. Snowflake. Snowflake. Come here. Come here, Snowflake. Snowflake. Here, puppy, 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 puppy. Here, puppy, 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 puppy. Hey, puppy. Good puppy. Good pup. Good pup. Hello. Can you shake a paw? Good puppy. Yeah, look at you. Look at you. Yeah, let's play with the toy. Let's climb in your lap. Yeah, hi, Glacier. Oh, Crystal's got the toy. Yeah, hi, Frost. Hey, Frost. Hey, little buddy. Hey, Kodiak. Are you trying to chew on my skirt? What? Hi. Hey, Glacier. Glacier. Hey. Hi. Oh, your brother just batted you in the face and then he walked away. Then he walked away. Yeah. Yeah, there's a Blizzard. Gonna eat Crystal's tail. Crystal, you better watch your tail. Because Blizzard's going to come play with it. Oh, maybe she's going to come play with the tiger. Hi, Snowflake. Hello, sweetheart. Snowflake. Such a pretty girl. Such a pretty girl. Hello, Kodiak. Yeah, you're my friend. You're all my friends. But some like to be more in my lap than others. Oh, are we getting the ball? Good, Blizzard. Oh, we gave it to Crystal. Crystal's checking out her foot. Yeah. Did we get the tiger? Hey. Hey. What you doing, Glacier? What you doing? What you doing, buddy? Hey, Blizzard. Can you leave Alaska alone? No, I want to eat her tail. Or take the ball away. Maybe get the ball. Maybe not. Okay. So how many puppies are going to play with the tiger? This actually lasted, this one's lasted through 2 litters. Yep. Hi. So, this little sweetheart is Snowflake. This little sweetheart is Frost or Hawes. Hello. This little sweetheart is a boy Kodiak. And he wants to shake a paw. He's a nice little buddy. And then the one eating his sister is Glacier. The one walking away is Blizzard with the Z. And the talkative one is Crystal. Mama's down there. And the other one is Alaska. The other black one is Alaska with the very thin collar. Here, puppy, 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 puppies, puppy, 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 puppies. Oh, Mama's there on the other side. Okay. Like, share, and comment. And follow us for more puppy pictures and videos.